drivers behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And we're off and running in autonomous as 4509 scores a piece of coral on the reef. That one was worth 5 points. Oh, I'm sorry. That one was worth 6 points. They also gained points for coming off of the line, their starting position. That was worth 3 points apiece. They could have got a ranking point if all 3 bots moved off and they scored at least 1 piece of coral. Scoring high in autonomous was worth 7. Right now, scoring high, like 1683 did, now worth 5 points. As 1683, the Techno Titans scoring 5 points high at top of the reef. As 6887, the Dalton Catabots playing defense for the Red Alliance as 4509. The Mechanical Bulls head towards the coral zone, pick up that coral from the chute, placing it on the reef on the lower level. That's worth 3 points for their Alliance as it's 42-30 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Now 87-36. Dancing around the field, they're at the barge. They've got Algae placing it high at top. The barge into the net. That's worth 4 points for their Alliance as it's 50-33 in favor of the Blue Alliance. 87-36, looking for another piece of algae off of the reef. Got their claw up. As 4509, the Mechanical Bulls on the opposite side add coral to the reef. 87-36, the Mechanisms with that algae in their possession, going to try to score it high like they did the last time. That'll be worth another 4 points for their Alliance. They've got it in the net. That's another 4 points as it's 58-39. As the Red Alliance scores 4 points, they're trying to keep up with the Blue. As we got 40 seconds left to go, it's 62-43 in favor of the Blue Alliance. 75-38. That's the Metal Mountain team trying to keep the Red Alliance from reaching their coral zone where they can pick up that coral and score it on the reef. Scored on the low branch, it's worth 3 points. In the middle branch, it's worth 4. And scoring high, it's worth 5 as 1683. With 20 seconds left to go, heads towards the barge. There's another 4 points for 87-36 in the Blue Alliance, the Mechanisms, as 75-38 parks underneath the barge at the cages, anchored deep in the water. That's the end of the match. With all three of the red robots, all 3 of the red ROVs parked up underneath the barge, in the barge zone. That's 2 points apiece for their Alliance. As we await the outcome of this match, we'll find out by looking at the big screen and watching what color fish are released out onto the reef. All right, here we go. It is Blue Alliance victorious in that match. The fish are swimming strong as the score was 84-60. 84-60 with the Blue Alliance gaining 3 ranking points. And right now we begin a 6-minute timeout before we start the replay of match number 6.